and variables. Constants are nothing but numerical values, the values which doesn't change at all. Like for example, we take 1, 2, 3 or 1 by 2 minus 1. We take any numerical values that are called as constants. So variables are nothing but alphabets. A, B, C, X, Y, Z are called as alphabets. So variables and constants minus 1, 2, 3 by 2 and so on. These are the examples for constants. We take any numerical value of it and which the value doesn't change. We call them constants. And variables A, B, C, X, Y, Z are called as variables. All alphabets are called as variables. So now we take a variable and constant. We take variable and constant and we do some operation among it, and what we'll be getting, let's see all the things we'll be getting. Before discussing all those things, let's tell about something expression. We are expressing so many things. From that time we are learning about some of the things. I'm expressing something here about linear equations in one variable. So these all are expressions we call. The sentences which are related to mathematics are called as expressions. Not only related to mathematics, we can take any one of the expression. We say something and that is called expression. For example, if we relate to mathematical expression, like 2 times of a number is 10. 2 times of a number is 10. We'll call it expression. 2 times of a number is equals to 10. This is one of the expression. We call this one as an expression. So we take this expression and express in mathematical way, like 2 times of a number, 2 times of a number. Number we doesn't know. We take number is equals to 10. So we don't know what is the number here. Let's take place of this number x or y something. So 2 times of x is equals to 10. So we have taken a sentence, or that means an expression. We have taken a sentence, that means expression. That expression is changed into mathematical way and we call it mathematical expression. For example, 2 times of a number is equals to 10. So it's a mathematical expression. So in a mathematical expression, we have different types. Here we can observe mathematical expression. It doesn't mean that it's a known number or unknown number. We can write mathematical expression in this. We can write expression in this form. 2 times of 5 is equals to 10. So what it happens? It is only expression when we express something. 2 times of 5 is equals to 10. So it becomes equal. Both are equal. So this kind of sentences are written as mathematical expressions. Or it's given here equals to. It doesn't mean that every time you get it equal to symbol there. 2 times of a number, just we have 2 times of a number, then 2 into x, we get Suppose, for example, it doesn't mean because equation, when we take the equation, then we get equation. So let us take out this number equals to 10. So what happens here? 2 times of a number is 2 into x. So 2 times of 5 is 2 into 5. Is only just 2 into 5. 2 times of 5. So 2 into 5 is equals to 2 times of 5 is 10. So maybe 10 equals to symbol, that meaning changes. So we have written 2 into 5 is 10. So mathematical expression it is. We have written a sentence in a form of mathematical, using mathematical way. So this is called mathematical expression. And mathematical expression, it contains a variable or constants. It can be anything. So if particularly a mathematical expression contains a numerical values only, we call that it's a numerical expression, like 3 times of 5 or 3 plus 5, so 5 minus 3. This kind of sentences, or we can use multiple 3 plus 5 into 6 minus 1. This kind of expressions are called as numerical expressions. So in a mathematical expression, if it contains a variable under the operation addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, x minus 1, x into 1, x divided by 1 or something, we take any variable or a constant together, combine them with the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We call it as an algebraic expression. It's not only the constant, we can take the 2 variables, x plus 1, x minus 1, x into 1 or x divided by 1. These all are also called as algebraic expressions. The combination of variable and variable, or combination of variable and constant, under the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we call it algebraic expression. And if we take algebraic expression and make it equals to the symbol of equality, we use symbol of equality for algebraic expression, and then we call it equation. Suppose x plus 1 is equal to 2. We use the symbol of equality, then we call this equation. It can be x power 2 also sometimes, or x power 3. Can be any exponent for x. So just if it has symbol of equality, we call it as equation. And let's go for linear equation. So an algebraic expression which contains symbol of equality, we call it as equation. So the variable here 2, x power 2, x power 3 is equals to 5. Just nothing but here it has equal to symbol. That's the reason we call equation. So it can be in this form also. X plus y is equals to 3. It contains 2 variables or 3 variables. Any one of the variables. It doesn't we don't need at all here about the variables or its powers. If it has symbol of equality for algebraic expression, we call it as equation. And let's go for linear equation. An equation which has highest degree of the variable is 1. Here we have taken 2. So the highest degree of the variable is 1. We call it as linear equation. X power 1 is equals to 3, or x plus y is equals to 2, or x plus y plus z is equals to 3. These are the examples for linear equation. An equation which has the highest degree of the variable is 1, then we call it as linear equation. So up to now we have learned about variable, constant, expression, mathematical expression, numerical expression, and algebraic expression, and after that equation, and in that linear equation we have learned solving equations which has linear expressions on one side and numbers on other side. So let's take an example. X by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 3 by 2. So here we can observe there is a linear expression on one side and a constant value is on either side. Here this is a linear expression and either side we have a constant value. So that is numbers or numerical values. So let's solve this. We have learned how to transpose, the rule of transposition. And the rule of transposition will do in this manner, that is plus value is at the left hand side of the equation, then plus will be changed as minus, plus will be changed as minus. When we transpose a plus value to right hand side and if we take a minus value and transpose to left hand side, because plus, and then if we have taken multiplication, it changes to division, and the division value changes to multiplication while we are transposing. So this is the rule of transposition. So let's apply this rule of transposition. Plus to minus, minus to plus, and multiplication and division to multiplication. Here we can observe that there is a plus value. Let's transpose this plus value to find out the value of x. So x by 3 is equals to, we have written minus 3 by 2 and we have transposed this plus value. So this changed to minus. We need to change this plus value to right hand side. So it becomes, actually this is minus 3 by 2. So plus 5 by 2 changes as minus 5 by 2. So let's find out the simplification of it. There is a denominator of 2. So when we simplify the denominators with one denominator, we can add or subtract the numerators that are minus 3 and minus 5. And then let's add these two numbers. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 divided by 2. And this side we have x by 3 and x by 3. So let's write this. X by 3 is equals to minus 8 by 2. So x divided by 3 is minus 4. And let's use one of the transposition rule, that is division changes to multiplication. And then let's take this division to multiplication. X is minus 4 into 3. So x is equals to minus 12. Therefore, the value of x is 12. So we got here the linear equation, an equation which has one side of linear expression and either side we have constant value. And for that we have solved and we got the value of x is equals to 12.